Let's look at what we're still dealing with in this town. I mean, my friend here says it's not bad, but I'm just like, oh my god, it's
Well,
like
now
when
that side is having a hard time. You know what it is? People in Toronto don't know how to drive in the winter.
oh dear.
And I'm serious. So they're a little worried. They're slow down. And we're Regina on wheels here.
Oh, look at you. In fact, though, you could have kept going.
Oh, I see.
Shouldn't have kept
I always
shouldn't
go
have.
this way. So
Oh yeah, okay, so you're gonna have to go through the city where you could have gone
You're right.
all the way around to me.
You're right.
There you go.
Use the right lane to keep left onto Bayview Avenue.
Whatever.
Oh, but you can go to a Bayview and it will carry you through and around.
Yeah.
Alright, so you'll do your thing. You've got your own little...
So
Look at
do I
that.
want the other Bayview or do
No,
I?
just keep going.
I want the one that goes that way.
No, you want the one that goes around because you're going to go around to me to come down.
Yeah, exactly.
South, you're going south still.
Yeah. It's okay.
Otherwise, you're going to end up going north.
Keep left, then keep right onto Bayview Avenue South.
Yeah, not this one, but the next one.
Yeah, that's
Oh, I thought you were going to go up.
Use the right lane to keep right onto Bayview Avenue South.
Okay, so you know where you're doing.
Yeah.
Look at this, guys, the winter landscape that we're still in. Isn't it horrendous?
Yes.
It is horrendous. I mean, it's pretty
beautiful.
and horrendous at the same time.
Ah, yes. Like a war zone.
Use the right lane to bear right towards Don Valley Parkway.
God help us. Look at that. You can't even see anything up there. That's how snowy it is.
It's pretty. It is very pretty. And soon it'll be spring. Let's get real.
Yeah, and I guess.
You know, and that,
Bear right.
but I don't bear right.
No, you can stay here.
That
You're
lovely
good.
child.
They're trying to put you back on the Don Valley.
In 800 meters, keep left to merge onto Don Valley Parkway South.
Like Dion is
Proceed to the route.
enjoying the snow. So
Proceed to the route.
away from you.
Okay, I know.
Yeah.
Proceed to the route. Anand,
Proceed to the route.
It's okay, Anand. We're good. We've detoured.
Proceed to the route.
Anand, don't get stuck. Like
What's the route?
Proceed to the route.
he's trying to say that we are off whatever we should have gone.
I
He's
see.
trying to say, get back on that route that I sent you on. What the
No,
hell? Where are you going?
But if you give him, does he have your address?
He does. I put it in. That's why he's like, where the hell are you going? And he wanted to get us back in the Don Valley to keep going south.
Proceed to the route.
All right, now he's